Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of the CSS series. Today, we're learning what CSS is, why it's used, and the three main ways to write it. Let's see the example. Look at this web page. It has a heading and a paragraph. But it looks very plain, right? This is because it has only HTML. When we add CSS, we can change the colors, sizes, spacing, and more. It makes our website look beautiful. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It tells the browser how to display the content written in HTML. Now let's look at the three ways to write CSS. Let's start with the first type, Inline CSS. It's written directly inside an HTML tag. Let me show you how it works. Inline CSS is written inside the HTML tag using the style attribute. It's good for small changes, but not for big projects. Next, we have internal CSS. This type of CSS is written inside the HTML file. Here's an example. Internal CSS is written in a style tag. Inside the head section, it's useful when you're styling a single page. The third type is external CSS. It's the most commonly used method. Let's see how it's done. External CSS is written in a separate CSS file. Then we link it in the HTML using a link tag. This is the best method for large websites with many pages. Let's quickly review. Inline CSS written inside the tag. Internal CSS written in the style tag. External CSS written in a separate file and linked. So, CSS helps make our websites look nice and user-friendly. In the next video, we'll learn about CSS selectors, how to tell CSS what to style. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.